Dear students, good morning. How are you? I am fine. Hope you are well. Today we are taking English second paper class and our topics is fill in the gaps with suitable words from the box. Make any grammatical change if necessary. You know there are some words in the box. You need some words to be changed into different parts of the speech. At first we discuss, notice in the box the first word of, it's a preposition, with it's a preposition, acquire a verb, into a preposition, help a noun, theory a noun, of preposition, about preposition, alone conjunction, unless conjunction. Now we use these words in the gaps. We read the passage. Life is real, but much dash what a man learns from book is dash. Bookish knowledge dash supplemented by practical experience is not dash. Traveling furnishes one dash an opportunity for dash that experience. A traveler comes dash contact with various types of people, and if he moves dash with an observant eye and keeps the doors and windows dash his mind open, he can learn a lot of practical knowledge about men and things of the world which bookish dash cannot provide. Now we understand the passage. Life is real, but much dash what a man learns from book is dash. Which word will sit in the gap? You try to understand. Life is real, but much dash what a man learns from book is dash. This gap will take a preposition. Notice attentively. Life is real, but much of what a man learns from book is dash. This gap will take an adjective. It seems that here theory word will sit here, but theory will be adjective. What is the adjective of theory? Now you know theory, theoretical. Here theory will be theoretical. Similarly, bookish knowledge depth supplemented by practical experience. In this sentence, the subject bookish knowledge dash supplemented by practical experience is not dash. This subject's verb is. Then what word this gap will take? The bookish knowledge dash supplemented by practical experience. That means the conjunction unless will sit here. Bookish knowledge unless supplemented by practical experience is not dash, is not dash. That this gap will take an adjective, is not dash. What is the adjective? The adjective will be helpful. This noun will be adjective and it is helpful, is not helpful. Then bookish knowledge unless supplemented by practical experience is not helpful. Now the next sentence, traveling furnishes one dash an opportunity for dash that experience. Traveling furnishes, what is the meaning of furnishes? Here the word means supply, supply. Traveling furnishes what? Dash an opportunity. This gap will take a preposition. You know, furnish, the word furnish always follow a preposition and the preposition is with. Traveling furnishes one with an opportunity for dash that experience, for dash that experience. This gap seems to take a gerund. The word acquire here verb, it will be gerund and sit here. Then traveling furnishes one with an opportunity for acquiring that experience. A traveler comes dash with contact with various types of people. Here contact means touch. A traveler comes dash contact with various types of people. This gap will take a preposition and the preposition is into. A traveler comes into contact with various types of people, and if he moves dash with an observant eye, you may know what is the meaning the word observant. Here the word means attentive or mindful. If he moves dash with an observant eye, move around, but there is no word around. The synonym is about. If he moves about with an observant eye and keeps the doors and windows, dash his mind open. Notice, keeps the doors and windows, dash his mind. The doors and windows dash his mind. That means the gap will take another preposition and the preposition will be of. The doors and windows of his mind open. He can learn a lot of practical knowledge about men and things of the world which books dash cannot provide. About men and things of the world which books dash cannot provide. This gap will take a conjunction and the conjunction is alone. Alone means only. He can learn a lot of practical knowledge about man and things of the world which books only alone cannot provide. I hope you understand the feeling, the gaps. Uh, okay, you be safe and healthy.